In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wavy line on Pixlr in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you want to create decorative lines, design elements, or add a more dynamic look to your graphics without needing advanced editing skills. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy pixel tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr and create a new project or open the image you want to work on. Once your workspace is ready, look at the toolbar on the left side and select the Shape tool. You can usually find it by clicking the Shape icon, or you can simply press U on your keyboard to access it faster. After that, go to the top toolbar and choose the Line option. This tells Pixlr that you want to draw a line instead of another shape. Before you draw, take a moment to set your stroke size. This controls how thick your line will be, so choose a size that works well for your design. If you want a bold wavy line, increase the thickness. If you want something more subtle and clean, keep it a little thinner. Now, hold down Shift while you draw your line across the canvas. Holding Shift helps keep the line perfectly straight so you can make a nice horizontal line from one side to the other. Try to draw it in the size and position you want, because this will be the base shape before we turn it into a wave. Once the line is drawn, the next step is to rasterize the layer. This is important because Pixlr needs the shape to be converted into an editable image before you can apply the wave filter. To do that, go over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Right-click the line layer and choose Rasterize. After this, the line is ready for effects and distortion. Now comes the fun part. With the line layer selected, go up to the top menu and click Filter, then look for Creative, and then choose Wave. Depending on the version of Pixlr you're using, you may also find it under Filter, then Distort, then Wave. Either way, you're looking for the wave effect that will transform your straight line into a curved wavy design. When the Wave Settings window opens, you'll see a few controls you can adjust. The first one is Amount or Amplitude. This controls how tall the waves are. If you want stronger, more dramatic curves, increase the amount. If you want softer ripples, lower it a bit. The next setting is Scale or Frequency, which changes how many waves appear across the line. A higher frequency gives you more waves, while a lower frequency gives you fewer wider waves. You should also make sure the type is set to round. This gives the wave a smooth, clean curve instead of a sharper or rougher look. That small setting makes a big difference if you want the line to look polished and natural. Once everything looks right, click Apply to confirm the effect. Pixlr will process the filter, and your straight line will instantly become a wavy line. From there, you can move it, resize it, duplicate it, or use it as part of a larger design. You can even combine it with other shapes, text, or graphics to create a more custom look. And that's how you make a wavy line on Pixlr. It's quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials and creative editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.